Hi guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you my brand new FW50 batteries from Newmowa. So inside the box you're greeted with a little personal message saying thank you for purchasing from us, if you're not satisfied, blah blah blah. It comes with this little user manual, which is great. You're given a nice micro USB which I can just add to the collection, even though most things are moving to USB-C, and we'll get into that in another video. But as you can see, this is the dock itself. It fits literally within the palm of my hand, so it's not really that big. You've got your connector here, and that is about it. The batteries come in this nice little housing. I don't know if I'm going to keep the housings or if I'm just going to chuck them in my bag, but we'll see. So it comes with two of these. So obviously the main thing is that it obviously sits in nice and snug. And obviously you've got your two indicators here, which are of red, will indicate obviously red for charging and green for fully charged. Also, one thing I like about this is that the fact that it charges through the micro USB means that I can easily attach my power bank, which I keep with me when I'm traveling or any sort of shoots that I'm doing, so that way I can charge it on the move. The link in the description will be there for those of you that are interested in buying this directly. Even in the charger itself, so it has no problems. I did see a review where the gentleman had purchased it and he's obviously placed a Newmowa battery inside. That's obviously going to charge. There we go, so that's now charging. But then he said he plugged the Sony battery in, and when he plugged the Sony one in, he said it damaged the pins. But I'm just putting it in very carefully because obviously I don't want to damage that one. And I'm just pushing it in, and already you can see straight away it charges. So it charges not only the battery that comes with it, but it also charges the official Sony battery. So there you have it guys, thanks for watching. Give it a like if this video has helped, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.